Davies and Shatcliffe has introduced an all-in-one pool care kit, which consists of a day leaf net, which is used to skim all the leaves and suspended debris from the pool. A wall brush that is used to brush off all the attached dirt from the pool walls. A floor brush, which is well designed to get even to the corners of the pool, and it is used to brush off the dirt from the floor. A vacuum head. A vacuum hose, which is 15 meters long. A connector that adapts the hose to the vacuum point. On a telescopic handle, which is 2.4 to 4.8 meters. The test kit that comes complete with the liquids that are used to measure the chlorine level, the free chlorine in water, and the pH levels. So basically, the day leaf pool care kit consists of all the accessories that are used to make sure that your pool is always clean.